In today's video, we're going to talk about something simple, yet incredibly effective: jump rope. If you're looking for a fun, fast, and affordable way to get fit, jumping rope might just be your new best friend. Today, we'll explore what happens to your body when you jump rope for just 10 minutes every day. Trust me, the benefits will blow your mind. 1 full body workout. First off, jumping rope is a full body workout. While it mainly targets your legs and calves, your core, arms, and shoulders are also engaged throughout the exercise. As you jump, your legs work to push you off the ground, while your core stabilizes your body. Your arms are constantly moving the rope, so your upper body gets a workout too. In just 10 minutes, you'll tone multiple muscle groups, helping you achieve that lean, defined look. 2. Burns fat and boosts metabolism. Jumping rope is one of the most efficient calorie-burning exercises. In fact, you can burn up to 10 to 15 calories per minute, depending on the intensity and your body weight. This makes it an amazing exercise for fat loss, especially when combined with a healthy diet. The more calories you burn, the more fat you shed. Jumping rope every day helps speed up your metabolism, so your body continues burning calories even after your workout is over. 3. Improves cardiovascular health. Jump rope is an excellent cardiovascular exercise. Just 10 minutes a day is enough to get your heart pumping and improve circulation. As you jump, your heart rate increases, strengthening your heart and improving endurance. Regular jump rope sessions will help lower your risk of heart disease and increase your overall stamina. It's an easy way to keep your heart healthy while burning fat. 4. Enhances coordination and balance. One of the best things about jumping rope is that it improves your coordination and balance. The constant rhythm of jumping and timing your jumps with the rope helps develop better motor skills. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your overall balance, agility, and coordination. This is especially beneficial for athletes, as better coordination means better performance in your sport. 5. Strengthens bones and joints. Jump rope is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it helps strengthen your bones. The repeated impact of jumping increases bone density, which can reduce your risk of osteoporosis as you age. Not only that, but jumping rope also promotes joint health by improving your range of motion and stability. It's a great way to build stronger bones and protect your joints from injury. 6. Increases speed and agility. Another major benefit of jumping rope is its ability to enhance your speed and agility. The explosive movement of jumping, combined with the quick, rhythmic motion of turning the rope, trains your muscles to react faster. Athletes who incorporate jump rope into their training regimen often see a noticeable improvement in their speed, reflexes, and quickness on the field or court. 7. Boosts mental focus and discipline. Jump rope also offers some surprising mental benefits. The rhythmic nature of jumping rope requires focus and concentration, which can help sharpen your mind. Plus, committing to a daily 10-minute routine teaches discipline and consistency, 2 things that can carry over into other areas of your life. It's a great way to improve your mental clarity and stay motivated. 8. Convenient and cost-effective. Another fantastic thing about jumping rope is how easy and affordable it is. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. A jump rope costs only a few dollars and can be used anywhere, whether you're at home, in the park, or traveling. So, if you're looking for a quick, convenient way to get fit, 10 minutes of jump rope a day can do wonders. Conclusion. So, as you can see, 10 minutes of jump rope every day is a game changer. Not only does it help you burn fat and build muscle, but it also improves your cardiovascular health, coordination, and mental focus. It's a fun, full-body workout that's super easy to fit into your day. If you want to challenge yourself, try setting a goal of jumping rope for 10 minutes every day, and see the amazing changes that happen to your body. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and challenges. Keep jumping, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.